Okay, euro dollar daily chart. We're continuing from last week's technical analysis of this currency pair, looking at a potential 1, 2, 3. Now it's set up as a 1, 2, 3 top, but remember it's not a real 1, 2, 3 top until it actually breaks that number 2. And of course, that's when we want to go short, is when the market does break that number 2 level, which, as we reviewed last week, the market is definitely at that. The market is that number 2 levels at that support level, along with a fib number there. That 382 is at that number 2 level as well. Now this week, what you're seeing here is you're seeing how the market has potentially created a really nice triangle. Now a triangle is a a continuation pattern. So as these prices here have just kind of continued down, and we have a couple things that could potentially be happening. We do have all this upward movement, so we're going to have to just sort of watch and see. Really, not exactly sure which way the market's going to go. It's an upward movement. This is a continuation pattern, but these highs are gradually getting lower. So that's something that we are really kind of watching. This is not an ascending triangle, which would be a bullish pattern formation that would definitely help us have a little more confidence to see that the market may be breaking through the upside. So right now the market can really go kind of either way. We do have this downward movement. If this is a triangle, this may just continue on down. But what we want to look at, we also want to look at how we do have this resistance area here. So the market may come up to test out that resistance area. Now, if it breaks through and keeps going, it may just head right back up to that resistance up here. It may just kind of stall out at this resistance, but we do want to just keep watching this. Now, if it hits the resistance, say it comes down to test out this support here, we want to see if that breaks through that support. If it does break through, then definitely we may be seeing that number 2 area about to be broken. So we want to keep watching this currency pair to really see how it's developing, to see what's happening with it. And as usual, as this potential trade, this potential setup here, as it continues to develop, and hopefully it's going to give us more clues as to what's really going to happen with this currency pair, we'll go ahead and let you know, and we will definitely keep you updated.